My name is Irina Apostol. I am from the Republic of Moldova and I am a Danube Youth Council member. In the Republic of Moldova, I work at an NGO, which name is Green City Lab Moldova, and here I'm a project manager for energy projects. I found out about the Danube Youth Council call randomly from a Facebook post from somebody from my network, and I was pleasantly surprised that such a program exists, and I applied in order to benefit from different opportunities which the Danube Youth Council strategies offer in order to promote youth inclusion in decision making and also generally development of the region. Being already on my third year of mandate as the Danube Youth Council member, I managed to be part of more priority areas. One is priority area number 2, sustainable energy, and the second one is priority area number 5, environmental risks. I choose both of them because they are very strong related to my field of expertise and my studies, which are in the field of sustainable development. From my point of view, young people from the region face different challenges. First would be low salaries, and by this poor economic opportunities. Especially Moldova has one of the lowest salaries in the region. Besides that, I would like to mention poor infrastructure and public services, which of course can create difficulties when getting a better job close to your place of living, transportation from one point to another, and generally is discouraging young generation. And of course the third would be brain drain, which unfortunately gets to the situation that a small amount of qualified people are staying in the country and moving the economy forward. Unfortunately, very often we tend to say that we do not like the environment where we are living, we do not like the opportunities that are created for young generation, or we do not like the projects that are implemented and so on. But at the same time, we do not come with solutions or support on how to improve the situation in our communities. So becoming part of the Danube Youth Council, or generally involving yourself in different opportunities for young generation is a great chance to come with solutions, to learn from others, and by this improve the life of your generation, but also the future generation that will come.